Hi guys! So today we're gonna be playing Escape Granny. Ew, what's coming out of her nose? Ew. Anyways, let's play because I do not want to look at her snoring and having snot coming out of her nose. So yeah. Let's play easy because I'm not playing hard. Find Grandma's cookies. Okay, let's do that. Let's go get the cookies. Is this a railing or what is this for? What? Is that a toilet? I don't know anymore. Take a dump at the bottom of the stairs.
Ah! Give me the cookies back!
No. Dang, girl. Oh frick, oh frick, oh frick. No! Oh my.
The cookies back!
No. Find the
Granny's
attic.
coming to get you.
I'm here to get you. Okay. Frick. No. Granny! Granny! Yeah, go.
I lost my glass eye! Where are my glasses?
Hey, girl, stop reading.
Granny's coming to get you.
Granny's coming to get you. Oh! Granny, what you got going on in your attic? Ah! God. Oh my god. Like, Granny, what you... Bro. Like, Granny, what you got going in your attic? Dang. Okay, so. You got a mannequin. What the? Is that Granny breathing again? I don't know. Should I take this way? Granny? It's like Wicked. No one more so wicked. Okay. Why are the bear traps so big? Why is it dark? I'm gonna wait for this person. Jump up. Oh my god,
Yes,
so
Granny!
Oh.
Granny's coming to get
Oh my god!
you.
Oh my...
Give me the cookies back.
Just go. Ah, Granny!
I lost my
Granny,
glass
I'm
eye!
sorry.
Where are my
I'm
glasses?
sorry. Granny, why is there a tunnel? Guys, when someone says respect your elders, don't respect Granny, okay? She doesn't respect you. Her attic is literally a torture system because I don't know what I was going to say. Oh, frick. I'm scared that Granny's coming for me. She's like, here's some of my cookies. I'm going to come get you. I swear I played this game before. I just don't remember. Was it? Oh, beautiful. It's beautiful, Katie. It's gonna be... Oh, what the... Ah! Who are you guys? Ooh. Oh,
Give me the cookies back.
but... Oh, Granny! Granny, I'm sorry.
Ah!
Oh, Granny. I'm sorry. But you're like trying to torture me, so I'm okay. So... Oh! I feel bad for Granny, but I also don't because she's trying to like torture me. So, this is hard. Well, it's not that hard, but it's like It's hard. Ooh, let's go. Let's get. Hey, Grandpa. Grandpa looks like an angry man.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces pass and I'm homebound.
Ooh, hi, Christmas. Such a Christmassy outfit. God. Oh! I thought Granny was like gonna come for me. I was not expecting this. I'm scared. Wait. Did we do it? Okay. Oh my gosh. Now we got cookies? But anyways, bye. Love you guys so much. Hope you have an amazing day. I'm gonna have an amazing day editing this. But yeah.